Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to make an engine hoist that will actually roll over a zip tie. This video is going to be short and to the point. I know I'm supposed to make them longer than 10 minutes so I can get that sweet mid-roll ad revenue, but I don't care, and it doesn't make a difference. So here's the hoist up on my corner. In hindsight, I feel like I probably could have used fixed casters on the back, but it rolls pretty good over the dirt. Not a big deal. I'm doing this with one hand while I film with the other. So this method worked for me. It'll probably work for you. You might have to vary it a little bit. There's no welding involved. You'll need 8 of these 3/8 by 3" by 7 U-bolts. And then I use these 10" pneumatic swivel casters. The base plate on them was the correct size to fit those U-bolts for me when I turn them long ways. They sell these at Harbor Freight. That's what I have up on the screen. They also sell them at my local Tractor Supply and my local home improvement store, which for me is called Menards. They're only kind of in the Midwest, so I'm sure Home Depot and Lowe's has something similar. Pretty straightforward. From there, I took the U-bolts and I chopped them down a bit. My Evo chop saw is pretty sweet. You have to cut them really, really short, and shorter than I did here. Then you just throw them over, bolt them on, the end. I cut them all the way off so that only the nut, there's no thread showing. I cut them right flush with the nut, and then that allows the swivels. There's one swivel I had to grind on a little bit, but they seem to be working fine. These wheels are rated for 350 pounds a piece, which gives you a total rating of 1,400 pounds. Which should help me get the front clip off the Dodge up there on the corner and, you know, flip that engine back upside down and roll over the driveway here. We should be pretty good to go. I'm probably going to do some more mods to this engine hoist myself, but this should get you going. I personally only have trucks, so the height of it is nice for me. If you have a car, you might have to put it up on ramps or jack stands first and then use this. I thought about making a trailer or something like that, but I didn't want to get too involved. And I also didn't want to have to use it with my truck, and I wanted to be able to get it underneath. So this will actually allow the engine stand to go under the legs too, which is another problem with these. If you have the Harbor Freight engine stand and the Harbor Freight hoist, they don't actually meet up, and you have to do a bunch of sketchy shit to get your engine off the hoist and onto the stand. So now it rolls right underneath, and that's pretty nice too. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped. Short little video. Enjoy your holiday. I'm going to enjoy mine, and we'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer.